Hello and welcome to today's Tech Bite. It's December 26, 2024, so if you're still feeling stuffed with post-holiday goodies, don't worry, because we've got some fresh AI news to feast on. Let's dive right into the top stories making headlines today. Our first big bite is from NetApp's newly released Data Complexity Report. Sounds fancy, right? Well, hold on to your futuristic hats, because it shows that by 2025, organizations are going to need unprecedented investments in AI and data management. Yes, you heard that right. Unprecedented, like discovering grandma's secret cookie recipe. Stat alert: 40% of global tech execs say we'll need giant leaps in AI and data management next year. Sounds like some intense last-minute budgeting is coming up. Cue the collective sigh from finance teams. Another shocker: 79% of these execs think unifying data is the golden ticket for top-notch AI outcomes. Because apparently, that random spreadsheet from 2012 is about to become your AI's best friend. Security stress: 59% of leaders cite AI-driven security challenges as a leading global headache. Think of it like a futuristic version of whack-a-mole, but the moles are hackers, and the mallet is your cybersecurity framework. Takeaway: NetApp's message is crystal clear. If you want AI to hit the high notes, you better tune up your data infrastructure. No more piles of mismatched data scattered across your enterprise like leftover tinsel. Next up, we have news from the Reserve Bank of India, which is forming an 8-member committee to ensure AI in finance behaves itself. That's right, the bankers are calling in the AI babysitters. Leadership: the committee is led by Professor Pushpak Bhattacharya from IIT Bombay. If you thought your AI was too cool for school, think again. The world of finance is about to get a major academic endorsement. Global assessments: they'll evaluate how AI is used in financial services worldwide and see what lessons India can pick up, and maybe share a few tricks of its own. Risky business: the group will identify potential AI risks, like those sneaky biases that make your AI think everyone wants to buy the same brand of sweets. Then, they'll propose ways to keep everything in check. So if you were hoping for a Wild West scenario of AI in banking, sorry partner, there's a new sheriff in town, and it's wearing a free AI badge. Speaking of India, hold on to your virtual assistants because India continues to lead the AI race. Some say it's the perfect match. 1.4 billion people meet cutting-edge technology, and the results are phenomenal. Top of the class. A whopping 30% of Indian companies have fully tapped AI's value, outpacing the global average of 26%. Maybe there's something in that spicy masala giving them an extra edge. Ubiquitous AI. Over 90% of Indian businesses have woven AI into their operations this year. That's more than the percentage of folks who claim to love cricket. Impressive indeed. Government boost. The India AI mission, with a cool Rs 10,300 crore, $1.24 billion budget, has truly kicked things into high gear. It's like Santa delivered a box of AI goodies, times 1,000. Venture investments in Indian software might reach $1 billion in 2024, with 25% going to AI startups. That's a lot of zeros, and a lot of new AI ideas ready to pop like firecrackers on Diwali. In a nutshell, India's not just talking about AI, it's making AI happen. By next year, you might need an AI-powered scheduling bot just to keep track of all the AI startups popping up. Last but not least, we have international vibes to wrap things up. The US and India are joining forces for a dazzling collaboration on AI, semiconductors, and quantum computing. Basically, the triple scoop sundae of emerging tech. ICT gains momentum. The US-India initiative on critical and emerging technologies is focusing on AI, so you know they're not just playing patty cake with regulations, they're building tomorrow's tech. Shared principles. Both nations want aligned AI governance, norms, and innovation. Think of it like the ultimate buddy system, except these buddies have nuclear reactors and billions of smartphone users. US-India AI Dialogue. This platform, launched in 2023, helps harmonize policies on data flows and privacy. Because let's face it, no one wants an international incident over who's snooping on whose cat videos. It's like the best kind of global potluck, where each side brings their top secret sauce. So get ready for an international AI feast. Just make sure you have a translator if your code starts speaking multiple languages. And that's all we have for today's Tech Bite. From NetApp's eye-opening report on data complexity to India's soaring AI adoption, and everything in between, It's clear that AI isn't just tomorrow's tech. It's shaping our present in real time. So, wherever you are, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the future is now, just with a few more lines of code. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.